Blender and chopper in one appliance. 40 ounces BPA-free glass pitcher and 3-cup food chopper. Revolutionary wave action system continuously pulls mixture down into the blades for smooth results every time. Unique, no-mess spout with hinged cap makes pouring easy. 4 blending buttons with 12 blending functions to make milkshakes and crush ice to food preparation such as puree, device, chop and grate. 700 watts peak power. Cord storage. 3-year limited. Questions are supported by a toll-free call center located in the U.S. Blending tips are on page 11. Food chopper instructions are located on page 9. Revolutionary wave action system continuously pulls mixture down into the blades for smooth results every time. For further queries, please review. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. This is the second one that I purchased. I used the first one so often, it finally died. I immediately ordered a new one. This one is identical to the first one, but this one also came with a separate food chopper that works on the blender. I couldn't live without it. I drink a lot of Slim Fast but with a milkshake option. I add frozen bananas, a vanilla Slim Fast, and some almond milk. The shake is so thick, sometimes I have to eat it with a spoon. Best diet drink I've ever had. My weight stays between 110 and 115. Which is my perfect weight. Highly recommended.